In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a dependent information on your TurboTax account. So here at first you need to log in your TurboTax account, and left side you will find my info. You just need to click here and you'll find like this type of page. From here you'll find on section add another dependent or add first dependent, like that. So we just need to click here to start adding our dependent. We just need to click here and very shortly it will be open like this. Who do you support? So there are two options, my child and the person. If you have child, then you can use this option, otherwise you have to use this option. Like for example, I am going to add my parents information over here. So I'm going to click here and very shortly it will be checked, and then I have to press the continue button. Once I press the continue button, it is asking me to fill up the form. That means my parents name and date of birth, like this. Suppose I want to add my parent information like first name, last name, and imaginary date of birth, and the city. So you have to complete all this information with exact value of your case. These are the sample data, and then finally we have to press the continue button. Once I press the continue button, it is asking what is the relationship with me. So as I'm using my parents information, so I have to choose parent. You have to choose the exact category for which you are claiming as dependent. So I'm going to choose parent. Then here there are other two information is there. Did that person live with me for the whole year? So if he or she is living with me, then we have to press the yes, otherwise we have to press no. And we also need to check whether his or her like income is less than this or more than this. So if he is less than this, then we have to mention it over there, or more than this we also need to mention. So here the question is, was income 5,200 or more 2025? No, it was not, so I'm going to choose no. And then it is asking another question, did you pay for more than half of ends living expenses in 2025? So if it's yes, then we have to press yes, otherwise we have to press no. So as I paid more than half of the year, so I'm or I have half expenses for the whole year, basically I am going to choose this option. Now I'm going to press the continue button. Once I press the continue button, it is asking the situation. So she is married, so I'm going to choose this option. And there is another question, has or will N file a joint tax return for 2025? I'm going to choose no, and then I'm going to press the continue button. Once I press the continue button, it is asking a social security number. This will be her or his social security number. That means my parents' social security number. I'm going to type on imaginary social security number like this, and then I'm going to press the continue button. And once I press the continue button, it will show us that this person is qualifies as your dependent. That means my parent is qualifying as my dependent. Then we have to press the continue button. Once I press the continue button, and here finally it is asking again one question, did you pay more than half the cost of to keep up your parents' home in 2025? I'm going to choose yes. For your case, you have to decide which is the information correct answer basically, and then I'm going to press the continue button. Once I press the continue button, if we scroll, we'll see the information has been added. Okay, if we need to modify, we can click revisit, or if we want to delete, we can also delete this information by pressing this button. And that's it. In this way, we can add the dependent person information inside our TurboTax account. And if you need to add more dependent information, you can also click this button and you can add the same way for other person's information.